Alright, y'all, couldn't hold off any longer. We're gonna plug her up, see what we can do. If I wait on y'all for views, I'll be waiting forever. So, kind of like how y'all wait on me for videos. So let's plug her in and see what we got. Alright, we got her plugged in. We got tune, scan, info, tune. Alright, we're going to go through this and we'll be back. We got performance, light tow, heavy tow, mileage, and stock. I know that's there, but right now it's actually on light tow. So, we're going to see what heavy tow does. Yeah. Building a file, boys. We're gonna go through this. She's preparing. Oh, here we go. I should have done it before and after on the sound. I don't know if it'll make a difference. Tune file number 2, here we go. She's loading up. Alright, so there was some more 6.0 content for y'all. We switched her from light tow to heavy tow, and this is my first experience with any kind of tuner, any kind of tuning, anything like that. And I was kind of leery at first, eerie, whatever the word is. You know what I mean? At first, because I mean, I was like, how is plugging something in and doing a little beep boop thing gonna freaking make my truck or my car or whatever run that much better? Well, it does. That's for sure. I've got an app on my phone that is supposed to tell you like a 1/4 mile, your 1/8 mile, your 60 foot, whatever. I don't know how accurate it is, because it said that the GPS signal at the location I was at was low, and when it read the time, it said it was at 75 miles an hour. It was an 1/8 mile run. It said it hit it at 75 miles an hour, but when I was looking down, it was definitely not 75. So I don't know about that, but even still yet, at 75, I think it ran a 7:33 in an 1/8. To me, that's fast. So I don't know what y'all think. And that was on heavy tow. I haven't even put the truck on performance. I'm really kind of scared to. So like, if y'all want to see that, I'll drop my Cash App. Cause you know, stuff's not cheap, but I'm not asking for donations, but it will be there. Hopefully soon, if the channel really gets going, I'll have some merch. Like very limited merch. Stickers to start off with. I haven't come up with something yet. So, you know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, parts are expensive. But that's okay. 6.0 life, you know. So yeah, I'll put the slip that it gave me on the app up and let y'all see it right here. Okay. So tell me what y'all think about that, if you think it's accurate or what. So, you know, 6.0 life, it runs good. It really surprised me once I put it on heavy tow. It idled different, you know, like pulling out of my driveway, I barely even had to get on the gas. It built boost like immediately. I say get on the gas, get on the fuel pedal. It built boost immediately. You know, it was a lot more. The throttle response was better, all that stuff. Overall it ran better. I even think it shifted better. A lot of people say that those tuners, they don't reprogram the transmission, blah blah blah. Well, how come when you click performance and you can click change gear ratio and change tire size and change all this stuff, like, it's got to do something. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but honestly, in heavy tow, I think I liked the way the truck shifted better than it does in light tow. But I put it back on light tow because I won't be able to keep my foot out of it on heavy tow. So there's that. We got some 6.0 stuff coming. Maybe if the rain holds off this weekend, I don't know. We'll get there. I'll show y'all what we got coming up. All right. Don't mind the lawnmower in the background. You're just gonna have to deal with it. So here's what we got coming up with the 6.0. I ordered a 3-inch leveling kit. I probably already told y'all that in the last video. I'm not sure. It's coming with the hardware, some bushings or something. We'll figure that out. And it comes with drop shock mounts, so that's decent. And then I got to thinking and watching some other videos, and I went ahead and ordered drop sway arm mounts. And it also comes with the hardware, the same 2 bushings. Not really sure where those go. We'll figure it out. Yeah, Supreme Suspension, shout out to them, you know. My dad has a leveling kit on that truck there that he also got from them, so, and I thought it was good, so I got it too. I got the one for my truck, but from the same company. So we're gonna get this installed whenever we can. Hopefully soon. I'm kind of really wanting to get it done. And man, we need some wheels for this truck. What are you guys thinking? We need some wheels or some spacers, something. I don't know what yet. Also, that steering stabilizer that I was telling y'all about in one of the last videos, we got it on the K350. So, and it's amazing. It worked out great. Well, we had to make it work. This piece here, this brass looking piece or whatever, was actually like this tall, and it was supposed to mount on the side of your frame, and it was for a it's for a F350, like an OBS F350, and you know, that's way different than a K1500 frame, so that didn't work. I was thinking we was going to get one of the ones that goes like all the way across here, but I just went with this. And really, I'm pretty satisfied with it. It works out very good. It's a Skyjacker something. I don't remember what the shocks are, but they're Skyjacker. It was a whole Skyjacker kit. It all come together. This is actually on the actual Fords. This is supposed to be the other way, like the bolt heads are supposed to be out here. But, you know, custom. We had to do it custom. We had to do some modifications to get it to work on this truck. But we got it on there and it works great. Like, the steering is so much better. This drop pitman arm is actually, let me think here. It's actually the factory one off the truck, welded on to, I think, the factory one off that truck. So yeah, but she's steering good, she runs good, she's driving good, she's doing great. Now we got to work on a paint arm bar or track bar, whatever you want to call it. Everybody calls it something different. So there's that. Oh, we're in the 6.0 again. Haha, I just like saying it. But there's that. So yeah, leveling kit, pretty much the whole thing. We're gonna get that on sometime. And like I said, the K350 is doing good, guys. She's almost ready to be driven, so we'll have to get that figured out. And that's about all I got for right now. The dirty Merc, we still got the dirty Merc. She's over there by the car trailer now. I'm thinking about ordering a nitrous kit for it. So let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment. Should I order nitrous for the Merc and take it to the track and see what it does? Like, seriously, drop a comment. Y'all don't be commenting, you don't be liking, you don't share. Some of you do, but for the most part, no. I think like 90-something% of my viewers are unsubscribed. Come on, guys, what are you doing with your life? Help a guy out, you know? Especially with the 6.0 life. We need all the help we can get, apparently. It's what all the 7.3 guys and the Cummins guys, that's what they say. Everybody else, oh, you go to 6.0, whoo. But I don't really care. I'm going to drive it, you know. It is what it is. Every truck's got its problems, right? You know, them Chevy guys, the front end's garbage. I know that from experience. Dodge guys, their transmissions, whoo-wee. So what's a couple Ford problems, you know? Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, there's that. So I'll leave my Instagram and all that down at the bottom. I'll leave a link to Supreme Suspension. If y'all want to sponsor me, go ahead. Hey, I'm here. I doubt it'll happen, but you know, worth a shot. So yeah, links to all that. I might even leave a link to the last video. And like I said on the first 6.0 video, if I get 500 views and I think, what was it, 50 subscribers or something on that video, I'll leave a link to that one. That I will unleash this beast. I will do a huge burnout just as far, well, I don't know about far, but it'll be smoky. But yeah, 500 views on that video. You know what? Stop it. 150 views and 50 subscribers. Maybe not 150. 200 views and 50 subscribers, and we'll do the burnout. That's 200 views and 50 subscribers, and we'll do the burnout on light tow. We're not putting it on heavy tow. We're not putting it on performance. None of that. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop a comment, share, whatever. Have a good one.